Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to Weekend Tech Talk. So in this occasion, we have some material how to make name card using Kodular. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Farhan as a host, and we have a speaker from Ardinal student. That is Farabi, Zhafran, Ardinal. And let's we start to the material. And for Zafran, you can take the stage.
Okay, thank you, Farhan, for giving me the time to speak. So, as you know before, my name is Farabi Zhafran Ardinal, and I'm from IDN boarding school, especially from ninth grade. So, today, the topic of the weekend tech talk I want to do is making a name card in Kodular. So, first, before I think we get into the topic, we need to know what is the name card used for. So, basically, the name card is like an ID card. So if you're going to uh, introduce yourself to anyone, you could just give them their our name card. Okay, maybe that's a short introduction to name card. Okay, so first, maybe after knowing name cards, now we're going to see what is Kodular. Okay, so basically Kodular is um, a website or a website for making applications in Android. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. So first, uh, first what we're going to do is open the website Kodular. So you can just search creator.kodular.io, and if you're still not logged in yet, you need to log in first or sign up first, and then wait. So my internet is a little bit lagging. Wait. Oh, okay. So as we wait for the Kodular to um, load, first I'm going to show you the name card that I made before. Oh, here. So this is the name card that I made in ninth grade, semester one. As you can see, this is there is the photo of me, and then my name and my social media or email. So yeah, today we're going to make um, a simple card name. So first, what you're going to do is create the project right here. So this is the home page of the Kodular Creator. You can just press create project. So what we're going to give the name is maybe you can customize it. For me, I'm going to put in ID card. So if you want to put the name of your Kodular project, you need to have an underscore, and you don't need to put in space. Yeah, or you could just write the words like this. It can work, but yeah, you don't need to you don't put in the space. If you put in the space, well, basically the Kodular is not going to work. Okay, then next. So here you can put in the card name, the app name. I'm going to copy from before, and then in here you can change the theme. So as you can see, there are three: default, light, and dark. So you can pick either of all of these. And then, oh, for the package name, basically you need to put in your website if you're a student or um, someone who already works. So I'm going to put in my own domain to be used. Okay, and then here you can change the primary color of your website. Okay, then press in finish. Okay, so as we wait, okay, so this is the appearance of the Kodular creator. Wait. Okay, so first we need to know about the project file. So there are many things like project. So for project, you can import the project or save the project in your Kodular. And next is the test. So the test is used for connecting your your Kodular application to your phone. So you can connect it via USB or via the application. And next the export. So yeah, in this one, you can export your application into Android app or Android app bundle. Okay, after you finish creating your Kodular creator, yeah, now you first change the viewer into. For me, I'm going to pick Samsung Galaxy S9, so it's going to be a bigger file. Okay, okay. Next, first we need to search for oh wait, what I know is this in the Kodular creator page there are palettes. So palettes are used for putting in the what elements. So there are user interface like these. So basically today we're going to use mostly image label and the layout. So like this horizontal arrangement or horizontal scroll arrangement. Okay, without further ado, let's first we need to put in the space in. So first you can just go search and put in the space up here, and we could fulfill the parent into automatic, and the height, let's make it 5% or 5, yeah, 5%. Oh wait, I think I'm doing it quite wrong. Wait. What I meant is we need to put in card view. Okay, so this is the first one, card view. First, in the card view, you need to line the horizontal into center and the vertical into top. Okay, and then in this, we need to change the corner radius into 20. So it's going to make it rounded like this. And you need to change the height and the width into 19%, 90%. Okay, so what's going to happen is it's going to be like this. So maybe in the Kodular creator file, it's going to look like this, but maybe in the application, it's going to be look different. And next, what we're going to add is the space. Okay, and change the height into 5%. After that, we need to put in the image. So in this image, you could put in different your photo, or for me, I'm going to put in a vector. So first, I'm going to search it first, okay, in Practicon for the vector, and the other shapes styles. Okay, so after we put in this, before we put in the image, we need to press this one, but assets manager. So yeah, you can basically upload your own assets from your file explorer. Just press this, and then we could put in our photos. Okay, we just wait for the vectors. Okay, and let's just keep on going. After we put in the image, first we search for horizontal arrangement. Okay, after searching for the horizontal arrangement, we change the align horizontal into center, the height automatic, and the width fill parent. Okay, next we need to change the background color into color same as the card view. You can just pick none and set it, and then we put in the image inside the okay. After that, basically the fact comes still loading. We put in space, basically for making space between the picture and the content of the photo. And then after putting that space, we're going to add another horizontal arrangement.
Okay, sorry because there is some problem about the internet our speaker. So maybe you can waiting until the speaker can connect again. Okay, maybe that's all from us. Sorry if we have some inconvenience happen, and maybe that's how to make a simple name card using a Kodular. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.